Hi, everybody. Forrest Baldwin with Aero Info. Before we get into our demo, I want to point out a few features on the John Deere monitor that is in the cab of our John Deere 4045 sprayer. If you're not familiar with the John Deere equipment, this may help you understand what's going on as we go across the field. At the bottom of the screen is the field view map, and that is made with our drone data that we've taken and turned into a prescription map. It gives the driver an idea of what's lying ahead in the field. The green areas represent areas where we have told the sprayer to come on. The black areas represent those inorganic areas. We've told the sprayer there not to apply any herbicide. It'll be a zero rate. The blue areas represent parts of the field where we have already gone through with the sprayer. The blue triangles you see here are representative of the spray nozzles on the back of the sprayer. When those nozzles come on, you'll see the blue triangles come on, letting the operator know that he is putting spray out. And the center line right here is the guidance line through the field. That's the track we'll follow. We're in the field now tracking our guidance line, and we're currently in a black inorganic area where we've told the sprayer not to apply any product. We're approaching a green area where we'll start applying product at a rate of 30 gallons per acre. You can see the green triangles coming on above indicating that we are spraying, the blue path behind this indicating spraying, and if you look out the window, we're applying. As we continue our work in the field, this shot will give you a good view of the monitor and the boom and the spray working at the same time. As you see, we go through that small area on the right-hand side that we've designated for spray, and then back into the inorganic area, and back into the organic, and back into the inorganic. You can see that spray boom out there functioning and cycling as we go through these areas. Switching gears now, it's a few days later. We're back into the same field. This time we're planting milo. And what you're looking at is the monitor in the cab of the tractor as we're pulling the planter through the field. This is the field view in the monitor, similar to the one that was in the sprayer. And it's a representation of the prescription map that we made using the drone data that we gathered. The green areas are areas we've designated for planting. The black areas are the inorganic areas where we've designated the planter to shut off. And you'll see right now as we're coming up into this black area, the planter will start to shut off. You'll lose the blue trail behind it, and you'll see the rectangles at the bottom have gone to a dull green, indicating the planter has turned off. Now, as we hit this organic area, you'll see those rectangles at the bottom go to green, the blue path behind the planter indicating that it is on and functioning. Thanks for watching our Precision Spray application video. If you're interested in how drones can benefit your agriculture operation, make sure you stop by and visit us at flyaeroinfo.com.